Global equities are mixed as investors digest the latest minutes from the December FOMC meeting. Wall Street is set to open in the red as a slew of data is released. Now, U.S. indices closed higher on Wednesday, lifted by shares in the auto and components, consumer durables and apparel and material sectors. Meanwhile, shares in the telecommunication services, energy and tech hardware, as well as equipment sectors lost momentum. On the economic data front in the previous session, the Fed Reserve released the minutes of its December meeting. The members of the board shared their projections for real GDP growth and called for an expected change between 1.7% and 2.4% this year. As for year advancers and decliners in the previous session, 82% of S&P 500 constituents traded higher yesterday. In terms of year movers in after-hours trade, Macy's slashed its fiscal year 2016 EPS guidance to $2.95 to $3.10. The company pointed out that its comparable sales on an owned plus licensed basis declined by 2.1% in the months of December as well as November 2016 combined. The company plans to cut 6,200 jobs in 2017. Moving on to Kohl's Corporation, the company trimmed its fiscal year 2016 EPS guidance to $2.92 to $2.97 and adjusted its EPS guidance. Total sales for the combined fiscal November and December period fell by 2.7%. In terms of earnings today, we will be getting results out from Walgreens Boots Alliance as well as Monsanto and Constellation Brands. In terms of economic data here in the U.S., it is fairly packed. We get initial jobless claims as well as continuing claims, and the December final reading for market U.S. services PMI will be coming out. Also at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, we will be getting December ISM non-manufacturing reading. Now, in terms of overseas markets, Asian markets were mixed today with the Nikkei off minus 0.4%, the Hang Seng gaining nearly 1.5%, and South Korea's Kospi down minus 0.2%. European indices are flat on Thursday. As for U.S. equity indices for the S&P 500 on an intraday basis, a further upside is expected. Trading Central analysts prefer long positions above 22.56 with targets at 22.66 and 22.69.50 in extension. As for the Nasdaq on an intraday basis, the bullish buy stands above 49.12, and for the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the upside prevails on an intraday basis.